Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: 2 cups organic tomato sauce, preferably homemade, or jarred. 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar. 1/2 cup blackstrap molasses or maple syrup. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Pinch cayenne pepper to taste. The 15th of October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ketchup as tomato paste, vinegar, sugar and spices. The standard grocery store Kansas City-style barbecue sauce is ketchup, vinegar, sweeteners, herbs, spices, and liquid smoke. Many modern barbecue sauces have high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, in them, an ingredient that is controversial. 6 November 2015.
Take our lead.
Ketchup is made with tomatoes, sugar, vinegar, acetic acid and spices. Whereas, tomato sauce is made from tomatoes, oil, meat or vegetable stock and spices. It never uses vinegar. Also, ketchup is cold in nature and is never served hot, while all varieties of sauces are served hot. 17 September 2020.
Take our lead.
For a basic barbecue sauce, all you have to do is whisk together ketchup, light brown sugar, white wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and paprika. Use this recipe when making grilled or slow-cooked meat, such as our barbecue pork sandwiches.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tomato paste thinned down with cider vinegar, chicken or beef stock and brown sugar works for many barbecue sauces. This has all the flavors ketchup brings without the taste you are worried about. 25 July 2014.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.